Nouns are names of things, places, and people. Generally, there's no difference between masculine and feminine nouns in English, but here are some exceptions. Man, woman, father, mother, boy, girl, uncle, aunt. Nouns that refer to people's roles and jobs are the same for both genders. Doctor, engineer, student, friend, cousin. George is my neighbor. He is a doctor. Jane is my neighbor. She is a doctor. We can make the difference between these neutral nouns by adding the words male or female. Gabriel is a female engineer. Peter has 2 female cousins and 4 male cousins. We refer to nouns that describe things with gendered pronouns to show that we are familiar with them. I love my mobile. He, the mobile, is my best friend. I traveled from France to Italy on New Titanic. She, New Titanic, was a huge ship similar to the one that had sunk years ago. Regular nouns. Regular nouns are the nouns that accept s, es, when we change them from singular to plural. House, houses. Box, boxes. City, cities. Irregular nouns. Irregular nouns are the nouns which have another form when we change them from singular to plural. Child, children. Man, men. Ox, oxen. There are some irregular nouns which have the same form when we change them from singular to plural. Species, species. Fish, fish. Aircraft, aircraft. Sheep, sheep. It is very crucial to differentiate between countable and uncountable nouns in the English grammar, as their usage is not the same concerning determiners and verbs. Countable nouns. Countable nouns are for the objects that we can count using numbers. Countable nouns have 2 forms, a singular one and a plural one. We use the determiner a or an with the singular form of the countable nouns. We don't use these determinants with the plural form. We use how many plus a plural noun to ask about the number of countable nouns. Uncountable nouns. Uncountable nouns are for the things that we cannot count using numbers. Uncountable nouns could be abstract ideas, features, or small physical objects which we cannot count, such as liquids, powders, gases, etc. We use uncountable nouns with singular verbs. They do not have plural forms. Compound nouns. We form compound nouns by combining 2 nouns or more. They are very common. We form new compound nouns almost daily. In general, compound nouns have 2 nouns. The first one is about the identity and the purpose of an object or a person. The second one labels an object or a person. The meaning of compound nouns is different than the 2 separate nouns. First noun, fire. Second noun, man. Compound noun, fireman. First noun, girl. Second noun, friend. Compound noun, girlfriend. First noun, petrol. Second noun, tank. Compound noun, petrol tank. First noun, dining. Second noun, room. Compound noun, dining room. Compound nouns have different forms. We can write them either as a single word, as 2 separate words, or as a word with a hyphen. Compound nouns do not have clear rules about this.